Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been forever. It's been about a week since I have done anything vlog related. I gotta order my coffee. This line is non-existent. Hold on a second.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action.
How are you guys? I feel like I've missed you. I want to know how you're doing. So, it's been a hot minute, guys, and I need to be honest with you in that I really just wanted to focus on myself and my family for the week. And I don't think there's anything wrong with that. I just needed to take a little bit. There were a couple of days where I just was like in a funk, man. Like I could not get myself out of it. I was just not in a nice mood. And then Sean got sick, and there were a couple of things that I had to get done after work, and it just like literally this week has just flown by, and here I am today and I'm back. So what does that mean for this? I have not cleaned my house in literally over a week. I haven't wiped down a counter. I haven't dusted. I haven't we've done the dishes and like things that like need to happen. Like I've picked up toys out of my walking path so I can get from point A to point B, but that's really about it. Like my house is a disaster. So this weekend I am planning to do a massive deep clean video. So stay tuned for that. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because it's going to be a good one. I am nervous to show you guys how nasty my house can get in 1 week without any type of cleaning. It's not good. It's really kind of gross. So I am going to do that. I am also, it's a couple weeks before February, and that's when Sean and I will kind of sit down and start going over like our plans for February, anything that we have going on, and budgeting and all of that, and then like my calendars and stuff, which I also am going to put together a video for you to show all of the different calendars that I use and that we use at home and all of that kind of stuff. And I'm just gonna try to keep pushing through. I don't know, it just happens. It just happens. Sometimes, you're going at it and then you hit this brick wall where you're just like, okay, and baby steps, and sometimes your perfect goals are not going to get met. You're gonna meet the bare minimum for your day, but as long as you kept putting your one foot in front of the other and kept moving, consider it a success. That's how I'm taking it. I didn't achieve nearly any of the goals that I really wanted to achieve this week, but I survived. Like I'm here, I'm present. Today I'm feeling okay. Let me grab my coffee.
I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
I got up this morning early. Thank you. I straightened my hair. Thank you. Which, if you didn't know this, just so you know, for me to straighten my hair, I don't know if I've mentioned this before, it takes me an hour to just straighten my hair. Now, if I were going to go through the whole kit and caboodle, as far as like washing and blow drying and then straightening, it would take me 2 hours to do that. So That's why, you know, I don't straighten my hair nearly as much as I used to when I didn't have multiple jobs, a child, a house to take care of, dogs to take care of, you know, dinner to get on the table. So my hair doesn't get straightened nearly as much as I would like, but that's fine. But I straightened my hair, I did my makeup, I got Sophia ready for the day. So I'm feeling good. I have a terrible headache, so that's awesome. But I'm not gonna let that stop me today. I'm not gonna let that stop me. I'm feeling better. I feel like I've got a little pep in my step today. And I'm just gonna take some ibuprofen and hope that knocks the headache. You guys, let me just tell you something. So, you know, you might be thinking, yeah, you know, people have bad days, whatever. No, it wasn't even necessarily bad days. It was like, I literally think I had lost my dang mind all week. Like, I don't know where I left it. I just, like, some of the things I did this week were just like, God, I need to sleep better. Like, something is way off, and I finally feel clear-minded today. Like, one day, what day was that? I don't know. I went to the gas station, walked in, walked out, started following a guy to his car, and didn't realize until he was turning to get into his car what I was doing. I was just like, I was in some other space. I don't know. Anyways, I'm back at it. I am feeling more alive today. I'm happy. I'm not going to let this headache get me down. And stay tuned for the major deep clean of my house. If you're new here, my name is Sydney, and this is the Pleasant Street Farmhouse. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later.
Miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out.